Welcome viewer, I am Regedit. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows script host error on Windows 11, 10. First method is type Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey classes root, click and expand .vbs. Open default, change value data to VBS file, click OK, and exit registry editor. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.